What if the future of retail involves fewer stores for customers, not more? No aisles to browse, no checkout counters, no shopping carts. Instead, hidden facilities you never walk into, yet depend on almost every day. These are called dark stores, and they are quietly reshaping cities, retail economics, and how fast products reach your doorstep. What is a dark store? A dark store is a retail facility designed exclusively for online order fulfillment. It looks like a normal store from the outside, but operates like a highly optimized warehouse on the inside. Unlike traditional stores built for browsing, dark stores are built for movement. Dark stores didn't appear by choice. They appeared because customers changed. Customers now expect same day, same hour, and sometimes even 10-minute delivery. You simply cannot deliver at that speed from large warehouses far outside the city. Dark stores bring inventory closer to demand, reducing distance, time, and delivery cost. Imagine delivering a single order from a warehouse far outside the city. The product travels long distances through traffic, delays, and multiple handoffs. Now imagine the same order fulfilled from a dark store just minutes away. Shorter distance means faster delivery, lower cost, and better customer experience. In last-mile logistics, distance isn't just geography, it's money. Dark stores succeed or fail based on one critical decision: what to stock. Unlike supermarkets with tens of thousands of products, dark stores carry fewer, faster-moving items. Most dark stores stock between 1,500 and 4,000 SKUs. These are everyday essentials, high-frequency items, and local favorites. Blinkit in India tailors each dark store's assortment based on neighborhood demand. Residential areas stock more staples and fresh produce, while business districts stock ready-to-eat meals. A traditional supermarket offers thousands of products. A dark store offers fewer products but delivers them much faster. More choice or more speed. You rarely get both. Dark stores sacrifice variety to maximize speed and efficiency. In instant commerce, speed is the new selection. Inventory is replenished daily or even multiple times a day. In a dark store, space is not just storage, it's one of the biggest costs in the entire business. Think of it this way: if a dark store pays high rent in the city, every square foot must generate enough sales to justify that cost. If slow-moving products sit on shelves, they block space, reduce picking efficiency, and quietly destroy profitability. That's why leading operators obsess over one metric: sales per square foot. They use data to constantly remove slow items, increase fast movers, and keep inventory turning at high speed. In dark stores, the winners aren't the ones with the most products, but the ones with the fastest moving ones. Imagine two dark stores with exactly the same amount of space. Same size, same location, same rent. But in the first store, shelves are filled with slow-moving products that customers rarely order. In the second store, shelves are stocked with high-demand items that are picked constantly throughout the day. Same space, but completely different outcomes. The first store generates low sales and waste space. The second store generates high sales from the exact same footprint. This is why dark stores are not about how much you store, but how fast your inventory moves. In urban logistics, space doesn't create value. Movement does. Inside a dark store, everything is optimized for speed. Shelves are arranged by picking frequency, not brand visibility. Orders arrive digitally, and algorithms create the fastest picking route. Pickers often collect multiple orders in a single walk. Getir designs its dark stores so orders are picked faster than a customer could walk supermarket aisles. Most orders are picked, packed, and ready for dispatch within minutes. Dark stores only work when inventory and delivery operate as one system. Orders are automatically assigned to the nearest dark store. AI selects the best delivery rider and route in real time. From a customer's perspective, a 10-minute delivery feels simple. But behind the scenes, it requires a perfectly synchronized system. Inventory must be nearby. Items must be in stock. Orders must be picked instantly. Delivery must be assigned immediately, and routes must be optimized in real time. If even one step slows down, the entire promise breaks. 10-minute delivery isn't fast. It's perfectly orchestrated. Amazon uses urban micro-fulfillment centers to enable same-day and same-hour delivery. Alibaba's Cainiao network dynamically reroutes deliveries based on traffic and demand spikes. Shorter distances mean faster delivery, higher rider productivity, and lower cost per order. Dark stores may look simple, but planning them is extremely complex. Demand shifts hour by hour and is heavily influenced by weather, promotions, and time of day. Inventory buffers are tight, and replenishment must be perfectly timed. Delivery capacity and labor are planned dynamically to avoid overload. Technology is the real engine behind successful dark stores. AI predicts demand, optimizes assortment, and forecasts delivery times. Real-time inventory systems ensure single-unit accuracy across hundreds of locations. Routing algorithms continuously recalculate delivery paths. Many dark store startups failed because execution is unforgiving. Too many CUs, poor forecasting, and weak unit economics quickly destroy margins. Successful operators scale slowly, automate selectively, and let data drive decisions. Dark stores may be invisible to shoppers, but their impact is everywhere. They are reshaping urban retail, redefining last-mile delivery, and building the infrastructure of instant commerce. This is the dark store model, one of the most fascinating frontiers in supply chain today. Subscribe to learn more about CPG supply chain.